So I haven't been back up to the shelter in a very long time, actually a couple of months, and it still seems to be pretty okay. Let's go and have a look. Well, doesn't look like anybody's been here. The animals don't seem to have worried with it. I thought maybe somebody would have decided this made a wonderful den to have cubs in. Yeah, still absolutely dry. Got a bit of water trapped, but I had an issue. I need to put a solid piece of heavy-duty plastic underneath. This is a joined piece, and that's why it's creating this this dip here. But to say none of that water's gone inside. That's as much water as it can hold. So I suppose in a different situation, you've got yourself a hand basin here. Yeah, so not bad as far as a shelter goes. This this chinking that I use with the moss has actually stayed live. So this is pretty much a live wall. I thought it would kill with me kind of squishing it into place, but it's really cool to have something that's actually living. And I suppose the heavier that gets, the better the insulation gets in the actual chinking. So these walls are really, really airtight. It's a beautiful day here. It's big blue skies. Birds are all calling. You can see the river down the bottom there. Yeah. We're pretty much in the middle of a burn ban type scenario, so I don't think I'll be building any fires today, but I thought I'd just come and hang out and see what had happened to the shelter, but it's doing well. Alright guys, thanks for watching.